Hi guys, welcome to the Alpha channel. In my last video I talked about alternatives to Payoneer account and I mentioned Payday, and I said I was going to create a Payday account step by step, right? So in this video we don't need to stress too much. Let's go and create a Payday account. If you follow this video step by step, at the end of this video you're going to have a Payday account. So I'm going to put a link in my description so that you can use my referral code when you're creating your Payday account, and every other thing that concerns the Payday account creation we are going to do it practically, you and I together. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button, you turn my bell post notification on, and if you're able to create your own Payday account at the end of the video, please leave a comment, and if you have any question whatsoever, also leave a comment in the comment section, right? So now, depending on the device you are using, if you're using an Apple device, you can go on App Store. If you're using a Android device, you can go on Google Play Store. I use a Samsung phone, so it is an Android device. That means I'll be using Google Play Store, but the process is the same irrespective of your device. Let's just go straight to the video. So create a Payday account so that you can use that Payday for all your transactions to receive funds from international companies, right? You can have foreign bank accounts and you can have virtual dollar card that you can use to make payment. So when you go on Google Play Store, this is Payday. This is Payday. You have over 100,000 plus reviews. You're going to install this app. You're going to install the app, and when you install the app, I'm not going to show you step by step how you're going to create your account. You need to fill your information. I'm going to put in a link in the description. If you use that link instead of coming to, I'm going to put a link in the description, a referral link that if you use that link to create your account, you're going to get benefits. You're going to get paid. You get some extra money, but there are terms and conditions applied to this, right? So now I'm going to install, and I'll click on allow Payday to launch on the phone. So you click on continue. Click on continue. I like the UI of this platform. Please. So they said important security: to protect your account, please make sure you have a PIN and you do not share your sensitive information with anyone. So and we'll never ask you for OTP or use your OTP outside the app, right? So basically, I'm going to pause some part of this video when I'm creating this account for security purpose, right? So when you have launched the app, you're going to click on join Payday. Now you're going to put your first name and last name. Let me put that first name, last name. Okay, then I'll click on continue. Then I'll put my email address, right, and my password. For those of you that will be creating accounts, right, you're going to put that code. I'm going to put a link in the description. There will be a referral code. You're going to put that code here. This one will make you get some free money when you create your account, although there are terms and conditions applied to it. I'm going to use my friend's referral code, right? Now, I encourage you guys to always use referral codes when you are creating an account. Like if there's a referral code, it makes either the person giving you the referral code to benefit, or you that are creating the account, you also benefit using a referral code. If not, if you don't use it, it's optional. You might not enjoy some benefit that comes with you creating an account on those platforms. So I'm going to put referral codes of different platforms like Cheaper Cash, OP, different platforms. Just use those referral codes to create your account, and you can get benefits for using those referral code. Have you seen your referral code?
Yeah, I want to send it to WhatsApp.
Please, can you call it?
Okay. HEN.
HEN, capital letter. Okay. IPV. Okay. So yeah. So this is my friend's referral code. I'm going to click on continue. Good. So they're going to send me an OTP to my mail. Let me go and get the OTP. All right. So you can see the OTP 669935. You are going to go and input. So now I've put the OTP. I'll click on continue, and if it works, it will proceed. So now I have a pay tag, right? I'm going to click on You have verified your email, so set up your pay tag at. I'm okay with this pay tag. I'm okay with this pay tag. I'm going to click on complete. I don't have a problem with that pay tag. Then I need to put a 4-digit pin. I have to put, this is a security stuff, so I have to. All right, now I've put the 4-digit pin and the app has finally launched. But the thing is, there are some verification processes you must do even when the app has launched. Now launching the app, looking at this UI, I think I don't like it. It can be better than this. Maybe I'm talking from the place of a designer, but let's focus on the user experience. The user experience has been very smooth. Like, every step is very easy for you to follow. Now you can see that on this platform you can get virtual dollar card, but that will be later. Let's finish the process. So the next thing you will do is you need to verify your account. To verify your account, you need to select your country. The countries that we have here is Nigeria, Ghana, Rwanda, Kenya, Uganda, United Kingdom, and United States. And I'm from Nigeria, so I'll click on Nigeria, continue. I'm going to use allow while using this app. Allow while using this app. Now decide important information. Please be in a very lit environment. After that, position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in circle to show all the angles of your face and follow the instruction. Right, so you're going to do facial verification. You're going to do facial verification. I'm not wearing a shirt. I have to wear a shirt. I'm going to click on Nigeria. I'm going to click on select verification channel. I'm going to use my BVN phone number. Let me use my BVN. Right. Proceed. So I have to put my BVN. I have to put. Right. Now you can see that my verification is successful. So now I have done the verification process. I've created a verification process and all of them. Right. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new account. So I can create a US dollar account. Look at this. Create a US dollar account. So this is my US dollar account, and I'll go for more. View account details. So this is it. You see, we are moving away from Silvergate. To get your new account details, provide a photo on screenshot of your ID and a photo of your bank statement showing your address. Your request will be processed between 24 and 72 hours. So I can request for a US bank account, but the instruction is for me to put a screenshot of my ID card and a photo of my bank statement showing my address. So if I click on continue, I can put a screenshot of my ID card and a photo of my bank statement. But my bank statement, I have to get it. So for now, I'm going to end this tutorial here. In my next tutorial, I'll teach you guys how to request for a US bank account, right? But this is how you create a Payday account. And on Payday, you can see that you can actually create a US dollar account. You can create a Great Britain pound account, a Euros account, a Nigerian naira account. You can even go on to create more bank accounts. You can create Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, Swiss francs, Swedish, Czech, and Romanian leu. So this solves our problem that has to do with money issues, right? Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn my bell post notification on. Every other information you would learn subsequently. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video.